Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Epic Games. Access your game library step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser or launch the Epic Games launcher on your computer. If you do not have the Epic Games launcher, go to Epic Games.com and download it for Windows or Mac OS. Install the Epic Games launcher by following the on-screen instructions. Start the Epic Games launcher after installation is complete. On the sign-in screen, click Sign In to begin the login process. If you are using the website, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Choose how you want to sign in, such as Epic Games, Google, Apple, Facebook, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or Steam. If you select Epic Games, enter the email address linked to your Epic account. Type your password carefully and make sure caps lock is not turned on. Click Sign In to proceed. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Your Password and follow the reset link sent to your email. If you are asked for a security code, check your email or authenticator app and enter the code. Complete any CAPTCHA or verification steps if they appear. If this is your first time on this device, choose whether to trust the device when prompted. After signing in, confirm that your display name appears at the top of the page or in the launcher. In the Epic Games launcher, click Library to view your installed and owned games. On the Epic Games website, open your account menu and go to Account or Transactions if you need to verify purchases. In the launcher library, scroll to see all games associated with your account. Use the search bar in the library to quickly find a specific game title. If you do not see your games, make sure you are logged into the correct Epic account. Check whether you signed in using a different connected login method than usual. If your account uses a console login, try signing out and signing back in with the same platform option. Click your profile icon and select Sign Out if you need to switch accounts. Sign back in with the correct email or the correct connected provider to restore your library view. If you want to install a game, click the game tile in the library and select Install. Choose an installation location and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, click Launch from the library to start playing. If login still fails, check Epic Games server status and confirm your internet connection is stable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.